Hello everyone, it's me again, Ezatalifa, and welcome to the third video tutorial of this series. In this video, we will explore how we navigate around the TeachBrunei's systems of pages and virtual areas. Let's start exploring. In TeachBrunei, you'll find that there's a main navigation menu right below the TeachBrunei logo. The main menu appears in most pages and areas except while learning in a subject course. On mobile devices, the main menu appears as three small horizontal lines. Touch the lines, and the menu will push from the right side of your touchscreen. Alright, let's explore the main menu. As we can see here, there are 6 areas represented by the main menu. These are Home, Learn, Lounge, Resources, Extras, and LMS. In addition to the main menu, we also have the study desk menu, which we've covered in the first video. But just to recall what we've learned then, let's get into the study desk area. As can be seen here, the main menu is also in the study area, but it is now next to the logo, and not below it. And we still have the exact 6 areas here. When we're in the study desk, the tools also appear above the main menu. These will be slightly different in different mobile devices. So, do take time to explore. Alright, let's go back to the main menu area. If you click on the TeachBrunei logo, it will bring you to the front page, which is visible to the unregistered user. As we are registered users, we are able to access all the 6 areas in the main menu. Let's now explore the first area, which is the home area. The home area provides us with a list of subject courses that are currently available or will be made available soon. From Bahasa Melayu to Pendidikan Agama Islam, Melayu Islam Baraja, English language, mathematics, science, and all these other subjects. And I've been told that more subjects will be made available in the future. Okay, back to business. In this home area, we have a submenu that allows us to select specific subjects. This is quite useful for both teachers and students. For teachers, for example science teachers, clicking on Sciences will bring up all the available science subjects. In the future, this will include biology, chemistry and physics, too. Clicking on a specific subject course, for example Science Year 1, will bring us to its page. For now, don't worry about subject pages, as there are videos in the series that explains them in greater detail. Now let's get back to the main menu. The second area that's accessible from the main menu is the Learn area. The Learn area is simply a search feature to search for subjects based on keywords. As TeachBrunei becomes larger in time with new subject courses, the search function becomes useful. For example, if you're a science teacher who teaches different levels, just type in science as the keyword. All the science subjects will appear in the results. Or if you're a student like me, just type in your level, such as Year 8, and all Year 8 subjects appear. English Year 8, Math Year 8, Science Year 8, they're here. Of course, you will find other subjects in your result, but the most relevant ones appear at the very top. Okay, now let's explore the third area in the main menu. And it is called the Lounge. The Lounge is an online student community forum that is available for all students in TeachBrunei. In here, students can mingle and communicate with students within their schools, as well as from all other schools. The Lounge is divided into the primary school forum and the secondary school forum. These are further categorized according to subjects and levels, so that students from all over Brunei can discuss about and share their learning experiences on these subjects. Even though this is a student's lounge, teachers are also able to join in the discussions. In fact, teachers who are active in this lounge will certainly help students on overcoming their difficulties and challenges and answering their questions. The fourth area in the main menu is the Resources area. This is our digital resource management system. If you remember in video tutorial 1, the username is user and the password is user123. Let's use that now to explore our digital resources area. So, we're now in the digital resource management system. This digital resources library is gradually being populated with various resources. We currently have resources for schools, for students, for teachers, and resources for general use. As a student, I will check out what's available in the student resources. Okay, the resources are organized according to year levels. What if I click a level? Say, Year 6. Oh, I see them. They are organized by subjects. I'm now gonna choose a subject. Let's choose maths. Oh, alright. There are several videos already available here. These videos are all about math. And all of them look familiar, too. Where have I seen them before? I remember now. These videos are the same ones shown on Radio Television Brunei. For Pendidikan TV, I'm now going to click on one video and see what happens. Here we go. Okay, that's nice. It plays the video. Alright, time to get back to TeachBrunei. Because I've been informed that soon, more resources will be made available in the digital resources system. If you want to know more, there are separate video tutorials that elaborate on how it works. The fifth area in the main menu is Extras. The Extras area is a collection of external learning resources, websites, tools, complete systems, and all forms of media that can be used by teachers and students. We can sift through these extra resources by either subject or type. Let's first try sifting through them by subject. This list that is comprehensively growing has a lot of resources to choose from, and they're all mixed together. But, for teachers especially, they can narrow the list down to a specific group. For example, for an English teacher who's looking for English language learning resources, he or she can just click on English in the submenu. And only the relevant resources remain. Let's now try science for science teachers. As we can see, only the science resources remain. Of course, these resources are not just for teachers. Students can benefit, too. A student studying math, for example, can look for resources for his or her studies. The final area in the main menu is the LMS area. We've been in here before in the first video tutorial. In addition, these LMSs each has a video tutorial of their own in the series. Alright everyone, that's it for now. See you in the next video.